Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Just a sound check, and we'll be starting in just a couple of moments. Thank you.
Bore da i chi gyd, a gobeithio eich bod yn cadw'n dda, a diolch yn fawr iawn i chi am ymuno gyda ni ar gyfer ein gwem yna heddi, i baratoi i ddarparu'r cymhwyster sylfaen, gan edrych yn benodol ar y galwedigaethau gorffeniad addurniadol a phaentio diwydiannol. Rydym i gyd yn gweithio adre, felly ymddeiriadau ymlaen llaw am unrhyw sŵn yn y cefndir ac unrhyw oedi yn y sleidiau. Fe fyddwch yn derbyn e-bost cyn dewydd y gwebinar yma gyda linc i'n harolwg. Byddai'n ddiolchgar iawn petaech yn cymeryd yr amser i lenwi hwn. Mae eich adborth yn werthfawr iawn i ni. Good morning everyone, and thank you very much for joining us for our webinar on how to prepare to deliver the foundation qualification, looking specifically at decorative finishing and industrial painting occupations. As we are all working from home, I apologise in advance for any background noise and any delay in the slides. You will receive an email before the session ends with a link to a survey. We would be very grateful if you could take the time to fill in this survey, as your feedback is very valuable to us. Dyma beth fyddwn ni'n trafod bore yma. Fe fyddwn yn edrych ar y trawsnewidiad a chynnwys y gymhwyster sylfaen, strwythur yr unedau ac yn rhoi amlinelliad o'r asesiadau. Byddwn yn edrych ar yr adnoddau sydd ar gael i chi, yna ymlaen i'r camau nesaf, ac i gael cyfle i chi gael ofyn unrhyw gwestiynau i ni. Plis rowch eich cwestiynau yn y tab cwestiynau sydd ar y llaw dde o'ch sgrin. Gobeithio bydd gennym digon o amser ar ddiwedd y gwebinar i ateb gymaint o gwestiynau ag y gallwn. Fe fydd y cwestiynau a'r atebion yn cael ei roi ar wefan Sgiliau i Gymru. Mae'r sesiwn wedi'i gynllunio am awr a hanner, gyda'r cyflwyniad yn cymeryd tua 40 munud. This is what we'll be discussing this morning. We will be going over the transformation of these new qualifications. We will look at the foundation qualification content, looking specifically on decorative finishing and industrial painting occupations, the structure of the units and outline of the assessment. We will then take a look at the resources that will be available for you, and then on to the next steps, and then you will have an opportunity to ask us any questions. Please type in any questions that you have throughout this webinar in the Questions tab on the right-hand side of your screen. The questions and answers will be on the Skills for Wales website. The session is planned for an hour and a half, with the presentation lasting around 40 minutes. Dyma i chi eich cyflwynwyr heddi. Here are your presenters today. Mae gyda ni David Pye. Mae David yn gynghorydd technegol gwasanaethau adeiladu i City and Guilds. We have David Pye, who's the lead technical advisor for building services at City and Guilds. Mae Ian Roberts gyda ni, sy'n cynghorydd technegol adeiladu ar gyfer City and Guilds. We have Ian Roberts, who's the technical advisor for construction at City and Guilds. A fi, Angharad Lloyd-Bainan, fi yw reolwr busnes Cymru ar gyfer City and Guilds. And myself, Angharad Lloyd-Bainan, and I'm the Wales Business Manager for City and Guilds. Nawr, fe gen I Paul sydyn I wybod am eich dealltwriaeth chi am y cymwysterau newydd yma. Now we will have a quick poll to get your understanding of the new qualifications. Please type in the number with 5 being the highest. Please rhowch eich lefel o dealltwriaeth gyda 5 yr uchaf. Felly sut byddwch yn disgrifio eich dealltwriaeth o'r gymhwyster sylfaen? Fel beth gweud eisoes, 5 yw'r rif uchaf. Therefore, how would you rate your understanding of the foundation qualification, with 5 being the highest, and thinking of the painting and decorating? Felly roiwn ni chydig o eiliadau i chi i gael cyfle I roi eich atebion. We will give you a few seconds to make sure you've got time to put in your answers. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. Mae wedi yn ddiddorol iawn I weld eich dealltwriaeth chi. Felly gobeithio ar fynd diwedd y webinar bydd gwell dealltwriaeth gyda chi. Thank you very much. It's always very interesting to see your level of understanding of the new qualifications, and by the end of the webinar I'm certain you will know more about the new qualifications. Hoffwn nawr eich trosglwyddo I David Pye a fydd yn eich cywysg trwy y sleidiau nesaf. I would now like to pass you over to David Pye, who will take you through the next slides. Diolch, David. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jan Harrod, and welcome everyone. I hope you're all safe and well. We're going to move on now and have a look at the sector review. I'm sure many of you are aware of the driver for change, but as a recap, or for those who are not